I'm Mark Moriarty and I'm back with M&S to show you my top tips and some healthy recipe ideas. This is my duck roasted butternut squash, perfect if you're taking part in Meat Free Monday. First up, we're going to peel and clean our butternut squash. We get some oil in the pan so we can brown off our butternut squash. The more colour we get on, the better the flavour of the final dish. Now I'm going in with our dukkha from the Cook With range, which is my favourite section of M&S. Beautiful Middle Eastern spice blend. That goes into the oven at 180 degrees for about 5 minutes, enough time to make a salad. A little bit of lime zest grated all over the top. Time to plate up. They're my top tips for some simple and delicious meat-free cooking. And this is not just food, this is M&S food.